Hello everyone and happy Friday. I hope your day today is as ideal as the gas law. Yes, I just went there. So I just wanted to get on here real quick and hype up and give a big shout out to a video published by a channel called Guillotined Chemistry that will be premiering today, June 5th, 2020 at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The content of this video is all about his quest, his journey and his pursuit to make the best Senko Hanabi fireworks in America. Senko Hanabi fireworks are these fireworks that are really homemade fireworks that are really popular in Japan, and there's all kinds of variables that you can tweak in terms of the composition of the ingredients and the type of wick, the type of paper that you use, and the method that you use to apply the charcoal and all kinds of crazy stuff. So he's had some content on this in the past, and the videos are very, very interesting. I know you're going to love it. I will be there at 2 p.m. and I encourage all of you to do the same. So Guillotined Chemistry is an excellent YouTube channel, and he is hopefully a future collaborator. We're both family men. We both have full-time jobs, so probably won't take place anytime soon, but we are both highly interested in having a collaboration, and we hope to bring you something some type of collaborative video or discussion in the near future. So anyway, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Senko Hanabi fireworks, Guillotined Chemistry. Make sure you smash the like button on all of his videos, subscribe to his channel, watch his content. I know you are going to love it. All right, take it easy.